I got this pumpkin at the Dollar Tree, and I removed the hanger and the metal leaf and raffia at the top, and I flipped it over. I found these napkins from Target. I really like the colors in these napkins. And I removed the ply from the napkin, and using some Wise Owl 1 Hour Enamel Clear, I applied it to my pumpkin. Now you can also use Mod Podge or the varnish. And I laid my napkin on top. And then I just take a piece of saran wrap and I lay it on the napkin and you just rub out the wrinkles. You can also use a brayer, and then you apply another coat of the 1 Hour Enamel Clear on top of that. And the edges get pretty wet, so you can just peel the napkin off, or you can allow it to dry and then just lightly sand the extra napkin off. So I just cleaned up my edges. I allowed that to dry, and I still took a little bit of sandpaper and cleaned up the napkin. I found this block word Autumn from Target for $3, and I just glued all of the blocks together. I'm using hot glue, but you can also use the E6000 or some wood glue. And I put some wood glue on the back side and a little hot glue, and I put it on the front of my pumpkin. I took some ribbon, and I got all these from the Dollar Tree as well. And I cut like a wide V at the end of my ribbon. If you have pinking shears, that helps the ribbon from fraying. And I just stacked the different colors on top of each other. And I took some floral wire and I just pinched the center of the ribbon and made a little bow. I had this burlap flower. You can get these from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to glue that to the top left corner of my pumpkin. And then I got these glitter balls from the Dollar Tree. They came in a pack. I glued my bow on top of my burlap flower. And then I took one of the orange glitter balls and glued that to the center. And there you go. Now we just have this autumn pumpkin that you can stand on top of your table, buffet, or sideboard. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube channel, or they're also available on our webpage. Have a great day.